My Phone Rebel case is here. Phone Rebel, found by Everything Apple Pro. I throw a link in the description to his YouTube channel. He covers the latest and greatest Apple leaks. He unboxed the latest Apple products. He decided to make his very own iPhone case. He wanted to create a case that doesn't bulk up your phone. You want to have that naked feel of your phone because, let's be honest, the iPhone 11 Pro Max or any iPhone, your phone feels amazing without a case. Now, I have the Pataka case right here. This is my go-to. I've been using it since pretty much day one, and I love this case to death. But honestly, it's not really all that protective. This is going to be the solution right here. It's protection, and you're going to get that no case feel, basically. So let's take a look inside. I apologize for the echo. I'm still moving in. I'm still getting in stuff. Okay. I've been waiting for this since February. I placed my order February 20th. And the fact I have it right here, finally, this is amazing. So right away, the packaging, it kind of gives you an Apple presentation because it feels like it's out. So it's like it's just out a little bit. So giving you that 3D feel. Okay, we got Phone Rebel and you have the Rebel series. Now, this is the top of the line. You have the Frosted series and then you have the Clear series. Case design like you never experienced. This also has a magnetic inside the case. So this is going to be excellent if you have a phone mount. This costs $40 and if you want the Frosted and Crystal series, that's going to cost $30. Okay, it's kind of tight in there. Wow. I don't want to ruin the package, but I might have to. Oh! Oh, I see what he did there. I didn't even pay attention. You gotta open it up from the bottom. I didn't even peep. He swiped it out and put it on the bottom so it just slides right out. Oh, that's fire. That's super fire. Wow. Almost messed up the box, but wow, that's nice. Okay. All right, we got his logo again. Logo again. And here it is, guys. The Phone Rebel case from Everything Apple Pro. He took so much time. I understand the development that went on to this. The back is pretty smooth. It has a little bit of texture too going on. Okay, you got some shock absorption on the top and bottom. And of course you have some magnetic. So I'm going to put this into my car. So he also includes a glass screen protector, which is an awesome look. Like the value that you're getting out of this, I can't even lie. This is an excellent value. For $40, you get in an awesome case. Well, I'm going to put it on my phone now. And you get in a tempered glass screen protector. This is glass. Now added on to another layer of value, you also get in some stickers. Now these are some protective film to protect the sides. So it's protecting the stainless steel. The presentation is definitely probably one of the best. It's on par with Pataka's presentation. Taking off my Pataka Slim case. I gotta say iOS 13 has been solid. It's a solid update. Occasionally buggy, but hey, it's a beta 1. What do you expect? Alright, so put it on. Snaps right on. And wow. Wow. So the sides, it definitely does make a huge difference because now when you're holding your phone, it feels like there's no case. But at the same time, you're protected. So this is definitely a nice change, I must say. And I can still be able to swipe up with no kind of, interruptions because as you guys can see, there's a little lip. So this lip right here is going to actually have you swipe up easily. So there's no hiccups there. And also same thing for the earpiece. So it's not like it's all away. So it's not going to hurt your ears. So yeah, he really thought this one out. Now, is it going to slip out your hands? You get what I'm saying? Maybe. If you're clumsy, maybe. But you have that protection. So if it drops, you're protected. But it feels like I don't have a case. Or I have like a very, very, very simple case on. The only thing that I'm feeling is this side, but it feels good though. But I'm feeling that Apple stainless steel. This is incredible, guys. Now I want to put on these little stickers. Even the attention to details yet again. You have his logo right there on the sticker. And all you gotta do is just peel it up, and you're gonna be good to go. Am I gonna do it now? I'm probably not gonna do it now, but it's there though. And comparing it to the Pataka, now Pataka is on board with Phone Rebel. I gotta say, it's definitely different. It's a different feel. But I would say, I hate to say it, but I recommend the Phone Rebel case over the Pataka. I mean, this is $50 and this is $40. I mean, do the math. This is something more protective. You get in the magnetic mount, and you get an almost naked feel. So the Phone Rebel case, I think, is a better value than the Pitaka. The Pitaka didn't even come with a screen protector. I mean, I love Pitaka. I ordered their Air Ami series. I can't wait for that to come in. But I don't know. Their case, I love their case, but Philip has a better value here, man. All right, we have a new kit in town. This is the Evil Tech carbon fiber. I just love it. So this is new, and it actually comes with the car mount included, and it doesn't affect wireless charge. And even this presentation is not too shabby. You can actually feel the carbon fiber before you take it out. Slides right out. And this also costs about $40, and you get in the car mount. So Pitaka, you guys need to work with your prices, man. $50 just for the case. I'm not really feeling that, but this one here, the Evil Tech, feels thin, and it feels great in the back. It kind of feels similar to the Everything Apple Pro. Let me see. The Everything Apple Pro one feels a little bit more smoother, but they have some kind of texture on both of them. Like I mentioned, this comes with a car mount, so you can mount this on in your car, and you're gonna be good to go. It slaps right on. You can do it with your eyes closed, and you're in. Alright guys, so I have the Pitaka car mount here. This is the one that supports wireless charge. You plug it in on the bottom, but since I use Apple CarPlay, that's not really necessary for me because CarPlay also charges the iPhone. So here's the Phone Rebel case. It's right here in this glory. It's sideless protection, even though it is protected. And then now all I gotta do, now it's on. Just like that. And here's the case that we talked about earlier, the Evil Tech. That's gonna work. You just slap it right on. You can even do it with your eyes closed. So that was one of the main reasons why I picked up the Rebel series, because I need this car mount. If I picked up the Frosted series, I'm not gonna get this functionality. So that was the reason why I went with the carbon fiber Cavalier. And taking off the Phone Rebel case, very, very easy. Take two sides off, and we're gonna put on the Evil Tech. Now going back to a traditional case, yeah, this makes it like it's hard for you to go back to a regular case once you have this. And it's super duper, and it's thin, as you guys can see. And you have some texture on the side, so you don't slip this off your hand very as easy. But yeah, this is a solid, simple case. And of course, you got your car mount. You could do the shake test. Feeling your phone on the side, that's a game changer, man. That's a game changer. So props to Philip. He definitely hit home run on this one. But if I had to choose between the two, definitely a Phone Rebel, the Evil Tech, and then the Pitaka at last place. But don't get it twisted, I love all these cases. Thinking back at it, I should have probably picked up the Frosted Series 2 as well, because it's going to take the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max frosted back, and it's going to put it onto a case. And it's going to give you a clear too, so you can see through your phone. I should have probably got something like that too as well. I just didn't know how I was going to feel about having a size like this, but it feels great and it looks protective, and I'm pretty sure it is protected because he did a drop test. That's the Phone Rebel case. I'll throw a link in the description to Everything Apple Pro's YouTube channel, and as well as the Phone Rebel case website, so you guys can browse around and check things out. But yeah, for the most part, definitely recommend it, and for the price, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And also, I'm going to throw a link in the description to both the Pitaka and the Evil Tech. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.